Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster install. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on this beautiful 2019 Ford F-150 EcoBoost. Sprint Booster is the #1 throttle control module in the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, so you know you're getting the good stuff. So the first step in your install is to take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car with your driver's door open. That way your CAN bus system can reset, then we're ready to begin the install. Next up, locate your throttle pedal assembly. Above there, you'll see the clip to the harness. Unplug that clip and plug your Sprint Booster in line. Plug your controller into the Sprint Booster and run it up to your dash. But before you mount it on there with the provided adhesive, make sure you check that you're in the automatic setting if you have an automatic car like we do, or flick it up to the manual setting if you have a manual car. Along with that, the Sprint Booster also has 9 unique modes in sport mode and another 9 unique modes in race mode. So you can really fine-tune that pedal feel to what feels the best for you and your machine. Alright everybody, well that's it. Thanks for checking out the Sprint Booster install. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out our wide list of applications, and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. If you enjoyed what you saw here, give us a like, and let us know down in the comments what other machines you want us to install a Sprint Booster on. Thanks everybody, have a great day. Bye now.